What is up, everybody? Thank you guys so much for tuning in, man. If you don't already know, my name is Brandon Jones. I specialize in helping you make an extra income. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. You know, I appreciate it. I appreciate you. If you are returning, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Brandon Jones again. And guess what, y'all? Make sure you smash that subscribe button, man. On the road to 8K. Help me get there. I would appreciate it. And I also want you guys to learn so much from my content. Honestly, I've been working really hard on just staying mentally prepared for this journey while balancing just regular life, you know? And I'm just thankful that I could remain myself, no matter if the ups and downs that I've had, no matter any of those moments. I have 100% success rate because I'm still here and I'm still going and I'm still moving, no matter what stress may come my way, what problems may persist, or what just random fuck-ups may happen. You know, we just gotta be able to continue to stand tall and take whatever blows that are being given or shot at us, and understand that the only thing that can knock us down is us. And I want to expose something today and talk to you guys about something that is a problem, and also something in regards to how we can make this a benefit to us and build a solution. So let's get into it, man. You already know I talk about everything that has to do with us making some chicken. Chicken is money, aka, and how we can continue to thrive. I have a lot of mentees that are repair people, that repair phones, that have mobile repair shops, and also people that have cell phone stores with repair shops. And one thing I can tell you 100% is repairing devices, iPhones especially, is one of the dying businesses that is occurring slowly but definitely surely. I have a guy that comes to my store every month and he buys screens, like broken screens. So the screens, a lot of people don't know, when you get a phone repaired, you get your broken screen taken off. But did you know that the broken screen that you get taken off is actually worth money? So it's actually worth money. So this is a guy that comes into stores and buys the broken screen so they can refurbish it and make it a brand new screen to keep the ecosystem going, right? And I'm talking to him, having a chat with him, and he's telling me how cell phone stores are closing in Philadelphia left and right. They're closing at a fast pace, fast rate. And one of the real reasons is because fixing phones is dying. And the reason why fixing phones for phone stores is dying is because there's a company called Assurion. Okay, Assurion and Assurant. Now, these companies, if you have AT&T, you use them. If you have T-Mobile, you use them. If you have Verizon, you use them. If you have any of the three, okay, you use them. And if you have like a third party, Metro, Cricket, Simple Mobile, Global Mobile, or whatever you call them, they're using these as well. If you get insurance on your device, you actually at this point in life can actually go to one of these repair locations that are associated with these insurance companies and get your phone repaired for as little as like $10 or even for free. Now, this is what's hurting cell phone stores like mine from getting repairs, is because now, it used to be if you cracked your phone would then be sent to a warehouse somewhere in like Texas or whatever, and then they would just send you a replacement. But since a lot of scamming and people weren't sending the phones to them, they were actually just getting new phones, and then they were supposed to send their broken phone back. They weren't doing that. So now these insurance companies are now hiring people in your local city, basically, like Assurion is doing this, hiring people in your local city to sit in stores and just repair claims all day. And this is hurting the repair community a lot. Now, slowly but surely. Now, I'm not saying that you aren't getting repairs or whatnot. But I'm saying that a lot of repairs are, the repair frequency is decreasing at an alarming rate. And this is why it's so important to have multiple streams of income. I honestly believe no matter if you went to college, no matter if you didn't go to college, no matter if you had a trade, you should never have one stream of income. I do not believe in that. I think that that is a recipe for failure. The older generation, they could do it. Our generation, we can't do it because we have big dreams and aspirations, and the last thing we want to feel is that something or someone or someplace has control over us in our pockets and, you know, can stop our cash flow immediately. And that's why it's awesome to have ride share apps and delivery services. So no matter what, fixing phones is dying. Now, what is the solution? Okay, what is the solution? Yes, we can flip phones. You already know that. We can flip electronics. You already know that. Y'all know I'm good for it. Again, this Saturday, we are having a phone price sheet seminar. I'm teaching you guys everything about the price sheet, how to get the price sheet, where to get the price sheet, how to use the price sheet, how to ship me phones, things of that nature. We already know that. And you can always go on IamHustlersMindset.com and buy one of my courses, learn how to flip phones. That's all easy. It's only $50. Guess what, guys? It's only going to be $50 for about maybe 5 more days, and I'm raising it to $100 only because at the rate that it's going, everybody in the world is going to have taken my course, and you're going to be the last one. And I need to make sure that people are understanding how to do this. So I'm putting way more content in there. And of course, when you put more content, guess what? The price does go up. And I'm also adding more courses as well as we speak. So now, speaking about the phone repair, the best way for us to fix this, guys, is honestly getting your butt out there and making competitive prices. If you're someone that does fix phones, you understand. If you're not, listen up. If you're not and you're just a consumer, you really want to know how much screens cost and stuff, listen up. If you are a phone repair guy, you understand that these screens are not that expensive. For an iPhone 7 screen, prime example, we're looking at paying around $18 for that LCD, okay, if that. Now, I know I have some of the best repair prices in the nation, maybe in the world, besides China, because that's, you know what I mean, that's the Mecca. But regardless, I have some of the best repair prices. I know that I do because I've shopped around. I've also have close connections and ties with people, real manufacturers. I'm talking personal connections with people that actually do make screens in China. And I know for a fact that, prime example, for an iPhone XR, that you're paying $39 right now, market value, as I record this video, for that screen. Now it's all about what your profit is going to be. We got people acting a fool out here when it comes to repairing phones. You guys are charging people $140, $150, $200, all of that just to repair these phones. And honestly, guys, it doesn't cost that much. And I was always, when it came to repairing phones, a quantity over price type of guy. So I'm not going to make $100 off of fixing the device. I'd rather make at least I'd rather make $50 or $60 off of a device and give that customer the best service possible, and upsell them with like a screen protector or a case or something, just adding accessories with it. So if you guys are having some type of slowdown when it comes to that, and when it comes to repairing, what I want you guys to do is I want you to go ahead and look at your manufacturer, wherever you're getting the screens from. And if they're not giving you a good price, what I need you to do is do me a favor. I want you to email support@heatheconnect.com, okay? support@heatheconnect.com. Email me and I will give you guys a spreadsheet, okay, of repair screens, okay? I'm bringing the game. Listen, I am bringing you guys game. I am going to be the mecca for how you can make money, okay? I am going to be providing you guys with screens as low as $18, so that if you are someone that does fix phones, you can access these screens wholesale, get these screens, and these only going to take 2 days to get to you. So of course, the unfortunate part about it is you would have to order them before you do get the customer in. But I want you guys to be able to get these screens for a low price, okay? I'm not looking to make a whole bunch of money. I'm not looking to become a millionaire off of this. Listen, y'all know what I do, man. I respect the hustle, I respect the grind, and I respect you guys most of all. So my job is to make sure that you guys are making money. That's how I flourish. You only flourish when you're a leader based upon the people that are around you's success, okay? A leader is not the only successful person in the room. A leader is the one that commands people to be better. You know what I mean? And that's what I want you guys to do. Continue to be better. So, guys, if you are struggling and you feel like repairing is not working or your price points aren't hitting, email me at support@hetheconnect.com. Okay? support@hetheconnect.com. All right, guys, and I'm gonna tap in with you guys and help you guys again with this repairing problem and making sure that you guys have the best price. And also, I'll share with you guys different techniques that I use. You can book a call with me at imhustlersmindset.com, and we can talk about anything when it comes to repairs, when it comes to phone flipping, when it comes to business and profit margins, when it comes to anything, guys. I got your back like a broad strap, and I'll talk to you guys later, man. You guys don't know, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you guys make an income. I appreciate you so much for watching this video, and I'm going to see you on the other side. Peace.